Next, we will go to the fifth process of scope management plan, of scope management knowledge area. Fifth process is validate scope. In the last slide, we have explained plan scope management, collect requirements, define scope, and create work breakdown structure. Next process, fifth process, is validate scope. Who is validating the scope? Customer is validating the scope. So the input required for validate scope is project management plan, project documents, and verified deliverables. Here, deliverables has to be verified by our quality control team, internal quality control team. So that is the verified deliverables, verified by the internal quality control team. Once it is approved, quality control teams approve, this verified deliverables will be forwarded to the customer for acceptance. Then work performance data, that is present status of the work. Tools and techniques, inspection and decision making. Through inspection, the customer is accepting the deliverables or rejecting. They can do both. If they are satisfied, they will accept the deliverable, and if it is not satisfied, they will reject it. If they reject the deliverable, then again change request for the correction, because the company has to correct that. For that, a change request is raised. Another output is work performance information. Then project documents get submitted. These are the process of validate scope. This process is for accepting the deliverables or rejecting the deliverables by the customer. This verification and validation, there is two terms in this. Verification is done by internal quality control team, whereas validation is done by customers, external customers. So that's about validate scope. Now let's go to control scope. In control scope process, inputs are, whenever we learn about control scope, the first thing come to our mind is something is deviating, and if something goes wrong or something goes out of the track, we have to bring it back to track. So that is the meaning of controlling. Inputs are project management plan, project documents, work performance data, organizational processes. Tools and techniques used for this data analysis. Outputs, work performance information, because if accepted works can be recorded in the work performance information. Then rejected works, we have to raise a change request for rework. Here project management plan gets updated, project documents gets updated. So this is scope management knowledge area. Project scope management knowledge area is for defining a scope, defining the exact work to be done, and controlling it, validating it. In the validation process, customer has to accept or reject the work through this process. Create work breakdown structure. We are decomposing the work to its task level. In defined scope, we are giving a clear-cut scope statement. That is, what are the scope we have to fulfill? What are the requirements we have to fulfill? So, exact work to be done will be mentioned in this defined, that is, project scope statement. So, these are the main areas of scope management plan, and that is project scope management knowledge area. Thank you.